Many standard hedge trimmers are too large to do much detail work. Instead of sacrificing size for cutting speed, what if there's a way to incorporate both into a compact design? That's what the Milwaukee M12 Fuel 8-inch Compact Hedge Trimmer aims for. But first, if you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out, and it's 100% free. Milwaukee created this 8-inch compact hedge trimmer with the landscape professional in mind, and that's an important distinction from those homeowner-grade models. Unlike those tools, this one doesn't switch between being a hedge trimmer and also a grass clipper. Speed's the name of the game with this one. Boasting a stroke rate of 2,700 SPM, the tool's brushless motor can cut branches up to a ½ inch thick. Its compact design also allows for better control compared to standard-sized hedge trimmers. It can also be used with just one hand. When your crew has detail work to do on smaller hedges or potted plants, you can get more precise results than if you used a standard-sized hedge trimmer. This tool joins the M12 Fuel hatchet as the only landscaping tools on the M12 platform at the moment. As Milwaukee continues to build out that line, we'd expect you to see more battery-powered versions of these landscaping hand tools. Weighing only 3.6 pounds with a 4-amp-hour M12 battery, this lightweight trimmer fits easily in one hand, and the 8-inch blade gives you the flexibility and the access to get to those hard-to-reach spots behind bushes or shrubs. The Milwaukee 25-33-21 retails for $249 as a kit with a 4-amp-hour battery and a charger, and it should hit stores starting in May 2022. As of the date of this video, there's not currently a bare tool option. This mini hedge trimmer carries a 3-year warranty, just like other Milwaukee OPE products. As only the second M12 OPE tool, we're kind of excited to see what else Milwaukee does with these tools in the future. You have any questions about this trimmer? Leave those down in the comments below, and while you're at it, let us know what tools you'd like us to review next. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.